Now look, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is given victory by Allah. By Allah's permission, he conquers Mecca. The deen has been established. Shirk has been destroyed. Read his seerah of the last 80 days. 80 or so days of the Prophet's life sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What's he doing? How much, it's almost like he can't wait to meet Allah Azza wa Jal. In his final days, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you have Abbas radiallahu anhu on the one side, you have Ali radiallahu anhu on the other side, and they pick him up. He's so sick he can't get up, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he's got hands on either shoulder. He comes out, and Abu Bakr as-Siddiq is about to lead the prayer, radiallahu anhu, and he tries to step back, but the Messenger tells him to lead anyway. But he takes the lead, according to some narrations, he takes the lead from the Prophet ﷺ. So the people are following Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, but Abu Bakr is following Rasulullah ﷺ. This is what's happening. And when he's done with the prayer, he says something so beautiful, and it's so powerful. He says, a slave was given a choice to stay in this world or to be with the master. And the slave chose the master. And when Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiallahu anhu heard this, he started crying. Because he knew what the messenger meant. What's the only concern with the messenger now? His worldly task is done. The task for which he was given the message is done. Now the only thing on his mind is the master and being in his company. Sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So you find, what are the last words? What are the last words of our beloved messenger? Alayhi salatu wasalam. The mother of the believers is putting water on his forehead. And he passes in and out from Sakratul Maut. He passes in and out. And one of the few moments where he did wake up for the last time, he says, Allahumma fir rafiq al-a'la. Oh Allah, in the highest friend's company. I want to be in the highest friend's company. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. This is فَإِذَا فَرَغْتَ فَانْصَبْ وَإِلَىٰ رَبِّكَ فَارْغَبْ. In today's time, you have two kinds of Muslims. Basically, concerned Muslims. You have one kind of Muslim who's only concerned about dhikr to Allah. They want to remember Allah, make ibadah to Allah, etc. Then you have another kind of Muslim who's only concerned with da'wah. They want to make flyers, programs, pamphlets, websites, no dhikr. All da'wah. And all da'wah, no dhikr. Two extremes. What is the balance in the sunnah of the Messenger ﷺ? By day it's da'wah, and by night it's what? It's dhikr. He's balanced the two things. And every single few hours, it's this entire session of dhikr, which is salah. But in between the salawat, what's he doing? He's doing the work of da'wah. He's doing the work of this deen. The worldly aspects of the work of this deen. But he's engaged. It's the perfect balance between both of them. May Allah Azza wa Jal make us an ummah that is able to revive that balance and recover and maintain and only enhance the love we have for His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam.